Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So let's start with the first method, the quicker one. At first open the phone dialer, then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got IMEI numbers for your device, and if you want to check it quickly, just enter the code and then you will be provided with both numbers. To go back, click on OK, and let's go to the second method. At first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to About Phone, so it's the last icon. And now click on Status, so over here, and now scroll down a bit. Here you've got IMEI numbers, and over here, just under the second IMEI, you've got the serial number for your device, for your OnePlus. So that's it. This is how you can quickly locate IMEI number and also serial number for your OnePlus 7 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.